Hello, welcome to my channel. Just finished Mina and Brian's collab, and I'm not gonna bore you with with a long video I have. I just wanted to show you a new pigment of this little piggy. It's called Afterglow. It's that pink. I'm not a fan of pink, but I got it as a sample scent, and I'm just trying to work with it. My first try didn't work, and I decided now to just layer it into a cup and do a flip cup with my bloom paints. And then we'll use the flip cup stretched out as a background and then go over with a transfer bloom to give it a nice depth. I really like it. Let me know what you think of it.
You can watch me glow. You can watch me glow. I could wait 1,000 days. You never wait for me. You never wait for me. Even when I ran away, you're all that I could see. You're all that I could see when I could hardly walk on my own. I had to lift myself out of the trench below. Haven't I suffered enough to let you go? Let you go, let you go now. You love me right for a minute, even though I try so hard to forget it. All you do is pave the way so I could reinvent myself. You can watch me glow. 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 Love me right for a minute, even though I try so hard to forget it. All you do is pave the way so I could reinvent myself. You can watch me glow. You can watch me glow. You can watch me glow. I could wait 1,000 days. You never wait for me. You never wait for me. Even when I ran away, you're all that I could see. You're all that I could see when I could hardly walk on my own. I had to lift myself out of the trench below. Haven't I suffered enough to let you go? Let you go, let you go now. You love me right for a minute, even though I try so hard to forget it. All you do is pave the way so I could reinvent myself. You can watch me glow. You can watch me glow. You can watch me